Hello guys, welcome to my channel AK Mechanical Lecture. Today I have brought any updates regarding PhD admission that is of NIT Srinagar. They have given notification on June 30, 2021, and they are inviting application for different PhD programs in different departments for academic session autumn 2021. The departments in which you can apply are chemical engineering. In that there are different research areas. During filling form, maybe they will ask you to fill two or three choice of your interest. Second, civil engineering. In that also there are different research areas. Then third one, computer science, electrical engineering, electronics communication engineering, information technology, mechanical engineering, metallurgical and material engineering, chemistry, mathematics, humanity and social sciences, and physics. The research specialization are not limited to above only, and it is are not also necessary that all the above listed specialization will be offered for research. Means these all are available research areas in NIT Srinagar, but according to vacancy, according to professor, which professor has which means which professor has vacancy according to that related areas. If they have, then they will take you, otherwise they will not consider any vacancy for that. uh, there are different eligibility criteria for different branches. For chemical engineering, if your MEM Tech is with minimum CGPA 6.5 or not less than 60%, for general OBC and EWS category, then you can apply. And if you are belonging to SC/ST category, then the percentage requirement or point requirement is 6. If you are applying after BTech, then you must have a valid GATE score above cutoff level, and the candidate shall have minimum CGPA of 8 or not less than 75% for general OBC and EWS category, and for SC/ST minimum CGPA 7.5 or not less than 70% and at PE or BTech level. If you have done MSc with 60% marks and you have valid GATE score in that like physics or something different specialization, then you can also apply in that. For chemical engineering, the relevant BTech branches are agriculture, biochemical, chemical engineering, civil, environmental, food, metallurgical or metallurgical and material engineering, mechanical engineering, nanotech, petroleum, petrochemical engineering. And if you have MSc in biochemistry, biotech, chemistry, environmental science, food science, nanotech, pharmaceutical science, pharmacy or any other relevant degree or specialization, then also you can apply. The percentage criteria or the point criteria of MEM Tech will be same for every department. And for computer science also, if you have BTech in computer science, then you can apply. Or if you have MEM Tech with 6.5 CGPA or not less than 60%, then so you can apply. And for SC/ST it is relaxed by 0.5, means 6 point and 55% master level at master level. For electrical engineering, if you have MEM Tech in relevant field of engineering with minimum CGPA of 6.5 or not less than 60% for general OBC and EWS category, and for SC/ST minimum CGPA required is 6 and not less than 55% marks at master level. For electronics, means if you in electrical also, if you are applying after BTech, then you must have your valid GATE score and minimum CGPA 8 and percentage minimum 75% required at BTech level. For electronics, same. If you have MEM Tech in relevant discipline with 6.5 CGPA or 60% marks, then you can apply. Or for it is SC/ST, it is relaxed by 0.5 or 5% marks. For VEB Tech, if you have VEB Tech with electronics communication and have valid GATE score with CGPA at bachelor's with minimum CGPA 8 or not less than 75%, then you can apply, and it is 0.5 it lakhs by 0.5 or 5% for SC/ST. Same for information technology, mechanical, metallurgical and material, and this one chemistry, chemistry. They have asking that if you have a master degree in relevant discipline of science with valid NET or GATE examination with 6.5 CGPA or not less than 60% marks for general OBC EWS category, and for SC/ST minimum CGPA 6 or not less than 55% marks, then you can apply. For mathematics, if you have master degree in relevant field of science with valid NET or GATE score and having CGPA 6.5 or not less than 60% marks for general OBC and EWS, then you can apply. And for SC/ST, if it is 6 or 55% marks, then you can apply. You can apply by using this link. I will upload the link in description box. The application fee required to apply here is 1500 for general OBC and NC candidate, and 750 for SC/ST, EWS and PWD candidate through online mode. Application will be screened by concerned department, and list of eligible candidate will be made available on institute website. All announcements related to admission will be made through our website, and you have to check regularly that. There are different category: full-time institute fellowship, full-time sponsored by any national recognized organization, part-time sponsored by any national international organization, full-time UGC, CSIR, DST, Inspire or any other fellowship, then you can apply in this category. Part-time sponsored, that is tenure-based project fellow, research assistant, JRF, SRF already appointed, working in other government or recognized R&D institution or organization. These all are the documents required, means all qualification, degree certificates, mark sheet, and if you are belonging to any reserved if you are related to some OBC or NCL or general EWS category, scheduled caste category, physically handicapped, then you have to provide some authentic certificate provided by district magistrate, additional magistrate, collector, deputy commissioner, additional deputy commissioner, deputy collector, like that. Then you can show them this certificate and you can claim in that your reservation criteria. Candidate whose final year is yet to be declared are also can apply, but they have to submit their certificate or marks card at the time of enrollment if selected. A sponsored full-time part-time candidate have to produce the following document at the time of enrollment: NOC and a sponsorship certificate from employer, proof of 2 years regular services, deputation order from employer for 6 months for completing coursework for part-time candidate. Exemptions: there is no requirement for NET, GATE or JEST for all sponsored candidates. Internal sponsored candidates are exempted from appearing in written and deputation order by the institute. Admission criteria under serial number 4 and 5 are exempted from appearing in written test. Means if you are applying in a sponsored or something part time, then there is no requirement to appear in written test. A sponsored part time under admission category serial number 5 are exempted for producing proof of 2-year regular service at the time of enrollment. Important assertion: hostel accommodation is available only to female candidate. Hostel accommodation will be provided to male candidates subjected to availability. The candidate who have passed their MTech from NIT Srinagar under a sponsored category can apply for PhD program only after 2 years 2 academic year session from the date of completion of MTech degree. This is the helpline number. You can contact them on this number. These are the important dates. They have already started to filling the form from July 2nd, and last date it is July 21, and rest date will be announced later. So you have to check their website regularly, and if you are finding any shortlisting result like that, then you can download that attachment and show in that. So if you have liked the videos, then please share it with friends also who want to apply in PhD. And if you have not subscribed the channel, then subscribe as soon as possible. If you are a non-gate candidate, then you must apply here, because there is means high chance that you will be selected here. So don't grab the chance.